Myself Nagaraj GB, Department of Computer Science, Kotasha College, Kotur. Already studied about the transformation, definition and different types of transformation like translation and scale. Translation and the definition and problem, scaling, definition and problem, the formulas, factors, resizing the object, translation of the object. Okay. The next concept is studied in this class. Today discussion the class rotation. Okay. Rotation is one of these factors of 2D transformation. What is the rotation? Rotation, it is a process of changing the angle of the object. Okay, like direction. Okay, angle theta. It is the process of changing the angle of the object. Rotation can be clockwise either anti-clockwise direction. Okay, we know that already written plot the diagram like graph x and y with respect to x and with respect to y. Rotation of the object. Rotation means changing the direction. What? I already considered one triangle. Like this is the first one. First point went to the px comma y. Okay. This is the y axis. This is the x axis. The angle psi. Okay. Psi is the angle between x axis and p. Okay. Once upon repeat. The triangle and the angle has the considered px comma y. Okay. This is the y. This is the x, and psi is the angle between the x axis and point P. Okay. After the changing the angle, that when considered theta, that is called P dash, x dash, y dash. This one now P x y. Okay. The angle of the R is the radiate. Okay. That this went to the given formula cos psi equals we already know the trigonometry. Cos psi equals x by r adjacent divided by hypotenuse. You know the trigonometry. This is the opposite, this is the adjacent, this is the hypotenuse. Okay. X divided by r cos theta. Okay. Therefore x equals r cos psi. X equals r cos psi. Similarly, y sin psi equals opposite divided by hypotenuse. That is called y by r. Therefore, y equals r sin psi. Okay, na? We already obtained the x and y. Okay. We went to after written the formula. New angle after rotation, P to P dash. Okay, new angle P to P dash. Therefore, new angle after rotation P to P dash equals psi plus theta. Let us consider cos psi plus theta. Same. The formula I went to apply according to the trigonometry. X dash divided by r. Therefore, x dash equals r cos psi plus theta. This is called x dash after the angle rotation. Similarly, sin psi plus theta equals y dash divided by r. Y dash equals r sin psi plus theta. Therefore, x dash equals r cos psi plus theta. Y dash equals r sin psi plus theta. You know the formula of the according to the trigonometrical. Cos A plus B equals cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Sin A plus B equals sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is the form r cos psi plus theta, r sin psi plus theta. Okay. In written as x dash equals r cos psi cos theta. AB replaced sin theta minus r sin psi sine theta. Therefore, x dash equals, you already know in before classes, you know that x equals r cos psi, y equals r sin psi. Therefore, r cos psi equals x cos theta minus r sin psi, r sin psi, r sin psi equals y. Therefore, written as x dash equals x cos theta minus y sin theta. This is the x dash. Similarly, y dash equals sin a plus b, r sin psi cos theta plus r cos psi sin theta, sin a cos b, cos a sin b. Therefore, you know, r sin psi equals y. Don't confuse. R sin psi equals y plus r cos psi equals x. Okay. Final return is y dash equals x sin theta plus y sin theta. This both land written in the matrix form. X dash y dash equals x by cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Okay. X cos theta minus y sin theta, x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay. Before already studied anti-clockwise. This is the clockwise. Okay. This is the clockwise. Clockwise nothing but what? This direction. Okay. You know, see that this direction clockwise, and already written x y. Okay. This is the p x y. This is called p dash x dash y dash. Okay. Y. Okay. X. First one. After, this is the psi, this is the theta, this is the y dash, this is the x. Okay na? Angle, theta is the angle, and already know that in anti-clockwise direction, x equals r cos psi, y equals r psi sin. How to obtain already know. Okay. And therefore, the new angle after rotation p to p dash equals sin minus theta, psi minus theta. Therefore, x dash equals r cos psi minus theta, y dash equals r sin minus theta. Therefore, according to the trigonometrical formula, cos a minus b equals cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Sin a minus b, sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Therefore, apply this formula. X dash equals r cos psi cos theta, r cos psi cos theta plus r sin psi sin theta. Therefore, already know r cos psi equals x, x dash equals r cos theta, okay, plus y sin theta. Therefore, some changes. Therefore, r cos psi equals x cos theta plus y sin theta. This is the x dash formula. Similarly, y dash equals, therefore, sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Therefore, r sin psi cos theta minus r cos psi sin theta. Okay. Y dash equals same, r sin psi equals y cos theta, r cos psi x cos theta. Therefore, y dash equals y cos theta minus x sin theta. This is the written in the matrix form. X dash y dash equals x pi into cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Therefore, x cos theta plus y sin theta. Okay, multiplication. Similarly, y, okay, y cos theta minus x sin theta. Therefore, this is the clockwise direction before the anti-clockwise direction. Thank you. Consider the one example for rotation. One triangle given, already given the points 2, 2, 8, 2, 5, 5. Already written in graph. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is called 2, 2, 8, 2, 5, 2. Written in one triangle. Okay. After you went to the applying the rotation formula or cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Okay na? Already given the rotating angle triangle 90 already given. Therefore applying the formula, applying the triangle value cos 90 minus sin theta cos theta. Okay, now you already know according to trigonometry cos 90 theta equals 9 theta equals 0, minus sin 90 equals minus 1, sin 90 equals 1, cos 90 equals 0. Okay, this is the obtained values, multiplication with given value. Okay, a dash, b dash, c dash. Therefore a dash equals already obtained value 0 minus 1 1 0. Okay, multiplication with 2 comma 2. Therefore multiplication, therefore one column with two columns. Okay na, 1 into 2 into 1 2 into 2. The multiplication is very different methodology. This value multiplication is this way. Okay, 2 into 0. Okay, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 0 2. This is the obtained value. Therefore similarly b dash 0 minus 1 1 0 8 2. Okay, same 8 2 cross with this one column. Okay, this column 8 into 0 0, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Therefore similarly 8 into 1 8, 2 into 0 8. Similarly c dash 0 minus 1 1 0, last value is 5 5 5. Therefore same 5 into 0 5, 5 into minus 1 minus 5, minus 5, 5 into 1 1, 5 into 0 0. This is the obtained value. After obtained the value 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. Okay, a minus 2 8, b dash, this is called a dash, this is called b dash, this is called c dash, minus 5 5. Therefore written in the graph, therefore minus 2 already value and to written. Okay na, this is the x, this is the y, this is the y dash, this is the x dash. Okay, you already know the graph. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Therefore first a dash value minus 2 2 minus 2 2, first point. Therefore next value minus 2 8 minus 2 8. Therefore the last value minus 5. Okay, in between minus 6 to minus 4. Therefore minus 5. This is the angle. Triangle is rotation. Rotate the angle. Okay, this position to this, rotate the angle. Okay, this is the before the rotation of the triangle, this is the after the rotation of the triangle. Okay, thank you.